Hello everyone. My name is Sohaib Khan. We will discuss about EarNAV dataset. In this project, I analyzed EarNAV listing data using Python, Pandas, and Power BI to generate meaningful business insight and related to pricing, room type, customer engagement, availability, and seasonal demand trend. First, I perform data cleaning and pre-processing using the Pandas library in Python. This included handling missing values, removing, removing duplicates, transforming columns, and preparing the dataset for analysis. After cleaning the data, I imported the processed dataset into Power BI, where I create data model and measure an interactive dashboard to analyze listing, performance, and customer behavior. The dashboard help identify high performing room type, room type, availability pattern, peak travel season demand, and fluctuation. The tool and technology used in this project, Python, Pandas, Power BI, many more. This project demonstrates how data analytics and visualization can support data-driven decision making in the hospitality and rental industry. Welcome to our data cleaning. Welcome to our data cleaning and preparation class. In this notebook, we will walk through this process of cleaning and preparing ERNAB listing data set. This is a crucial first step in any data science project, ensuring our data is accurate, complete, and ready for analyze. Now, after first, we import. First, we we will import Panda library. Now sorry for this because you can see this. Sorry, now I will delete this. You can see import pandas as PD. PD is nothing but it is alias. It is alias. It is a alias. Nothing but it is a alias. Now some problem be here. Now sorry for this. I will remove. And now I again imported import pandas as PD library. PD is nothing but it is a alias. It is a alias. Alias means that short name of. So now we will run, and after this, we will loading. Our first task in imported to necessary tool like by using pandas, which is a powerful library for data manipulation for analysis Python. We import, after importing, we will upload it. In read CSV. Read CSV mean that if the data should be in CSV. So we will use read CSV and bracket close and close path and copy path and paste. After paste, so data loaded. Data loaded. After loading data, first we will check first 5 rows, how type of column, how type of data, we ensuring data type, data structure, we ensuring that this. Now first 5 rows I will check. This is ID, name, host name, neighborhood group, and neighborhood, and latitude, and so many column in this data, and license also. This so mention exempt mean discount. So after this, we will start exploratory data analysis, EDA. EDA mean that short form of exploratory data analysis. Analysis. So first we will use info. Info, what showing info? Info is nothing but uh, it is give it is give it gives information about data type, and about data type, and how much null value in this you can see this, it is id integer, so you can see this id also integer. So info gives data information, uh, data type information, and data f is nothing but it is a data frame where assume I assume variable where data stored in this. So first is null. If I will use only null, so I will get, we will get false or true. But that if we use sum, so sum is a total, uh, will give will give. So I use sum. Sum mean where count the null value, how much null value contain in particular column. We easily can see this. You can see the neighborhood group hold much more null value. It means 100% null value contain in neighborhood group. We can drop this column without any time wasting. So you can do, because 7,624 entries in this data. So here you can see 7,624 null value. So 100% null value. So we can drop this. And price also contain 5,409, and last review 4,266 null value, and review same similarly license this contain null value. So null value we will impute, we should impute, we will impute with median, mean, mode. Median mean we use in numerical column, and mode use in categorical column. So first we will see how much percentage null value in license. So I will get, I got this 60% null value. Oh, by the way, license is not important for analyzing, because we we will we will see we will see how much revenue, how much review on earnab on earnab well, otherwise. So we drop this. After drop, we use drop method, drop function, yeah, drop method, column neighborhood group and license. Two column will drop. After dropping, x is equal to 1 is nothing but it is a it is apply for applying for column. And in place mean that if in place true, it means that or this column deleted, this column dropped from original data. And so much many step. My motive that I should I am showing how I clean this data in Colab notebook. Uh, after cleaning data, I will save this data. We use we use data. We use basically I will use df2csv to underscore csv mean that my file is saved. Is my file is saved. So after saving this data, this file, I will download after downloading this data this data I will upload on Power BI and data will be uploaded. Data uploaded. You can see this clean ear map, and in this data you can see where column listing ID where I rename where in notebook column this column name is only ID, but I rename ID to I renamed ID to listing ID and listing name hosting ID because I renamed this data. You can see this. So I will create it. I will create dashboard, interactive dashboard. You can see this. I created this dashboard with the help of Power BI tools. Here three are KPI card, total revenue, average availability, total review. This is a KPI card, and room type, neighborhood. This is a filter. Yani I used two filter, room type and neighborhood and room type. In this room type, how type of room type, entire home apartment, hotel room, private room, shared room, and neighborhood mean that in city present, where city present Boulder, Henderson, Las Vegas, Mesquite, North, and unincorporated. So you can see this. I used to filter. Now I will use filter entire home apartment. Now data after filtering, data will be uploaded. Data will change. You can see the dashboard updated. After erase this filter, so dashboard updated. And now I filter, so dashboard will change. You can see this and city, where city, entire home apartment in city of Henderson. In city of Henderson, entire home apartment, total revenue generated 172,000. Average availability 254 and approximately 255. And total review 38,000. And line chart, where line chart mention this chart mention trend over a monthly wise trend. So which month has much which month has more review. This line chart is mentioned and tell. This line chart tells trend. You can see this. September is only 1 month. Hold much more reviews, and second largest August, and this is donut chart. Donut chart mention. Donut chart mention the proportion and percentage, how much percentage carry by specific particular home type. You can see this. I used filter, room type, and neighborhood. So you can see that in this donut chart, only entire home apartment hold 1,71,682 price. Any by room type. Room per night total price by room wise. How much money carry? You can see the only 100% total price held by entire home apartment. And this is a bar chart. Average price by room type, where you 232 point. And this is a stack chart. Yep, entire home apartment. It means that entire home apartment much more revenue, much more review carry. After one by one, I will check. Entire home, after entire home apartment, I will filter hotel room, and data will be uploaded. 232 232 total revenue in hotel room, while entire home apartment 172,000. Any as compared to is nothing. In hotel room, total revenue is as compared to entire home apartment is nothing. Only 232 total revenue dollar. Average availability 181 in hotel room, while entire home apartment average availability 254, yani 255 approximately. While on the other hand, hotel room only 2 review, and in entire home apartment 38,000 review. It means that entire home apartment in city of Henderson, much more money, much more revenue generated, much more average availability, and much better much more better performance by entire home apartment in city of Henderson. It means that in city of Henderson, only one room type is called entire home apartment is good performance. After this, now I will erase. I will check other cities. Now Boulder City. I will filter Boulder City. Now I filtered Boulder City, and now I will filter on entire home apartment in Boulder City. In this city, 3,000 total revenue, average availability 226, and total revenue 560. And now private room, you can see only are 892. Average availability 212, and total review 720. While on the other hand, in entire home apartment and in private room, it means that entire home apartment in good performance as compared to private room, and hotel room is not exist in Boulder City. So you can easily generate insight okay, which city having room type much more better performance. We easily can see this. So now I will erase filter, and I will see mosquito, city of mosquito I filtered, and room type I will filter, entire home apartment, entire home apartment, total revenue generated 225,000 in city of mosquito, and average availability 272, and total review 7,000. And now I will filter other room, and mean that because hotel room is not exist also in city of mosquito. Now I filter, and I will compare. I will compare after filtering. After filtering in private room, we compare we compare with entire home apartment, which room type generated more money. Now I will filter. After filtering, only 200 for total revenue, average availability 282, and total revenue 358. So now we can see this. Now I conclude this. Room type only entire home apartment in every single city. Good performance in entire home apartment room type. Good performance. Generate we easily generate insight. Okay, which room type has and total revenue, we could see. Now I conclude. This is a donut chart and line chart. This is a line chart. It tells trend in every single city, in every single room type. Only September hold much more review. You can see this is a stack chart and bar chart, column chart. You can say. So now I conclude this. And I generated insight only entire home apartment room type is a much better performance, and only September month people visit website. Only September month people visit much more views, and people see much more. I will use. Now I ending. Now I am ending this video because video make so long. It is not unacceptable according to Alma Better guideline. Thank you much. I am Sohaib Khan. I hope I request you to Alma Better evaluator, instructor. Please, you can understand my language, and you can understand my dashboard, how I make how I made this dashboard. Thank you, evaluator, Alma Better evaluator. Thank you so much.